If you own a Weber Spirit 2-burner or 3-burner grill and purchased one of the series grill covers, you may have discovered you may need some direction to assemble the Velcro. This video will help you with Weber item numbers 7138 and 7139. If you are unsure which cover you own, simply check the tag on the underside of your grill cover to find the item number. Let's get started. When the side tables are up, the cover simply fits over the contoured shape of the grill. As you can see, there are quite a few pieces of Velcro sewn on both ends to tighten the cover. To make the cover tighten in this position, you will Velcro the tabs at the top and bottom of the grill. Do this on both sides. This will prevent your cover from blowing off. Now, let's walk through the cover assembly with the side table down. When we let the side table down, this is where the cover is baggy and needs more assembly. Until the Velcro is applied properly, the cover will drag, be loose, and potentially blow off. First, locate the wide and narrow strip of Velcro on the side of the cover. Take the narrow strip and pull it out away from the cover. Then bring the narrow strip down to meet the edge of the wide Velcro strip. Now, take the smaller pieces of Velcro at the top and bottom of the cover and tighten. Be sure to tighten the top and bottom Velcro pieces on both sides of the grill to prevent your cover from blowing off. Now you have it. If you have any questions, please contact Weber Customer Service at 1-800-446-1071.